without doing having the fish in counting, with only the database we use, and since it works pretty well, I could prepare just by making a substitution in our equation, for instance, and very simple, very fast, could calculate. So 2.9, 0.5, it says 2.9, yeah, 2.9. So make a compromise, we say, okay, 2, because it says 2.9, yeah, 2 to 3, so we solve it, okay, depending. Okay, it's making something practical. 75, it says 3.5, 3 with 1. You know, with this we take into account that the equation predicts 3, but the value we got 2, so we accept with that our model is not that perfect, and no model is perfect. So with 1 could be 4 with 1.1, so 3, 4, also 4 with 0.2, with 4 to 5, let's see, because 4.5 depending, that I would say 4, right, too risky. 25, 4.7, okay, let's stick to 4, not sure, yeah, so you make a, yeah, 1.3, 4.8, 4.8, 4 to 5, so it's only 20% difference, yeah, we could get it. And we could get a whole table 5, yeah, right. So if you want to be sure that you have 5, it has to be higher than 1.4, okay, so waiting. 1.4, no, I know they can get 5 portions. How do I know that? Because of 1.4 was never measured. See, never measured. Okay. So here it predicts 1.25, but maybe it's a pure luck, you know, or no. So this is how. So the basics is this equation, right? And then I'm mixing because I'm going further. The basic is to get the table, to get the least square minimization, to get the equation, and then what we do is try to refine the model with more data to compare the prediction with the real one, to reevaluate. So that's why models get better, and we are able to predict, for instance, weather better than 30 years ago or 40 years ago, because even though you make a prediction, you can improve it. Okay, you can improve it. Yeah, I think that's enough for today, because I'm very tired. Hope you understand better, not worse. But the only thing you have to remember is least square minimization and how to get an equation that is able to predict. Yeah, the example is good, but I kind of make it more complicated than it was. But because that's the problem with scientists. When we see something that is not working, we like to yeah. And we a simple example, I can examine, we see the change with 4 or 5, you know, but it was not the initial objective. The initial objective is you can get an equation that is able to predict the number of portions just by knowing the weight of the whole fish. Okay, good night.